Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner displaying the P2010 code? This code means the Intake Manifold Runner Control circuit on bank 1 is showing a higher than normal voltage signal, which can cause incorrect actuator operation and improper airflow management inside the engine. P2010 stands for Intake Manifold Runner Control Circuit High, bank 1. In simple terms, the ECU has detected excessive voltage in the intake runner control circuit, which can prevent the runner flaps from operating accurately. This can affect air intake balance, combustion efficiency, and overall engine performance. Common symptoms include check engine light on, irregular engine performance, rough idle, reduced fuel efficiency, and inconsistent throttle response. In some cases, the engine may feel jerky or unstable during acceleration. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The intake manifold runner control actuator and runner position sensor are installed on the intake manifold near the bank 1 cylinder head. The actuator moves the internal runner flaps, and the position sensor sends real-time feedback to the ECU. The wiring harness runs from the actuator assembly across the engine bay to the ECU and is often exposed to high temperatures and vibrations that can cause electrical faults. For quick diagnosis, begin by scanning live data using an OBD-II scanner and observe actuator voltage and runner position signals. Then inspect the wiring harness for short circuits to power, melted insulation, or damaged connectors. After that, test the sensor signal voltage and actuator control circuit using a multimeter. A short to power or internal actuator fault can trigger a high circuit condition. If necessary, repair the wiring or replace the faulty actuator or sensor assembly. Finally, clear the code and perform a road test to verify proper intake runner control operation. Remember, the most common causes of P2010 are wiring short circuits, faulty actuator motors, or defective position sensors on bank 1. Timely repair will restore stable airflow control, smooth engine performance, and proper fuel efficiency.